everyone. Today I'm going to show you what Buddy can do. Don't mind her. She's a weirdo.
Playing archery.
Okay. Wah!
Yeah.
Okay, Buddy. Tiny.
Nice.
Boy. Wah! Don't jump at it. Tiny.
His stick.
Good boy.
Oh, like a baby.
Can I have paw? Other paw? Knuckle punch. Come on, knuckle punch.
Oh.
Knuckle punch. No, give me a knuckle punch. Yes, thank you.
Boom.
Down.
Yes.
That's a boy. Let's show them your amazing catch. The amazing Houdini, everyone. Yes! Go, Buddy! The amazing Buddy eating his treat awfully slow.
No! Why?
You're annoying. Anyways, time for round 2 of Buddy the Awesome.
What?
After he finishes. Oh my god, Buddy. Can you be any slower? Okay, thank you. Buddy, hey, look. A tree. Let's go all the way. All the way. All the way. Thank you. Sit. Lay.
No.
That's a boy. Crawl. 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 Okay, never mind on that. Look at the camera. Hey. Wave.
I'm gonna make another meme.
Wave. That's my boy. Anyways, wave. No, not that way. Woof, that's not it. Okay, fine, we'll do this. Shush. We'll do it since you love it so much. Speak. 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 Louder. Speak.
Oh my god.
Speak. Speak. That's my boy. That's my boy. Let's do another Olympic catch, shall we? Yes! The catch of a lifetime by Buddy Bartholomew Buell. Just let him finish his treat because we still have one more. Okay. He loves to speak. Yes, that's my good boy. Let's sit again. Up, up, tiny up, tiny up. That's my boy. Okay. Speak. 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 Come on. Speak for me. Speak, boy. Speak. 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 That's a boy. You're the cutest little thing on earth, I swear. Okay. Olympics. Yes! And that concludes Buddy's awesomeness and speaking and such. Thank you for participating.